So these are the road going there to the ocean. Aloha mahalo. And it goes around. I was gonna show the waterfalls. Not sure it will show here. So this is for my vlogging. Mega love to everyone. Marami pa akong nadaanan ng waterfalls. Pero ito kasi, parang all around siya. So, very curvy. Parang it's like Baguio City. So, ingat-ingat sa turns. Mostly 10-15 miles per hour. Tapos maraming waterfalls. Some of them escape the mountain. So, there's like little waterfalls everywhere. Gawin ko lang siyang 2 minutes. Or try kong 2 minutes or 1. So, i-premiere ko na to.